Good morning everyone, Angela here and welcome back to my art channel. Today I am going to make a cactus plant using a 16 by 20 canvas, and a lime green color will be the base color, and I am going to be using a chain pull. And the colors that I'm gonna use are yellow, and they're all from Arteza. Purple, ultramarine blue, and sky blue. So let's get started. FYI, I used my colors that I use for Dutch pour, and I had already pre-mixed these colors in different bottles, and I had put Floetrol in there, so you might see a lot of cells developing on the cactus. It's not my usual recipe for making these flowers, but this might be a little bit different, so pay attention to how the cells develop. See, if you are looking for cells, then you want to keep your consistency as the Dutch pour consistency, and also add Floetrol. I usually don't add Floetrol in my chain pull mixtures. I just do straight water and paint. So if, like I said, if you're looking for cells, the consistency for Dutch pour will be perfect for you. If you're not looking for cells, then without adding Floetrol will probably be better. So pay attention to what is going on with the cells that are developing. See if you like the look of the cells being on there, or if you don't like the cells that much, then just don't add Floetrol or any pouring medium. Just do straight water and paint, and that should be just fine. And again, try to make your paint a little bit thicker for your chain pull. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this done. Enjoy the process. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. a cactus painting, already dry, and I just wanted to show you how it dried. It's pretty much the same. It didn't change much. And I also wanted to bring you closer to show you what I was talking about, adding American Floetrol in the paint. So I wanted to show you the cells that I got from that mixture. So as you can see, you have a lot of cells. It's not just dry, even paint. You have a lot of cells, and you can tell that the paint was a little bit runny. So you look at these cells. I kind of like it with the cells, and I also like without cells. So it all depends on your liking, your taste. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. And the color blending is really, really nice. Yeah, so that's what we have. I like it. I wanted to try with Floetrol and Dutch pour consistency to see how it would turn out, and it looks very nice. This is really, really pretty. So yeah, that is it. Beautiful cactus, huh? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And if you're returning to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Also share with your friends and family. Like, comment. Yeah. Take care of yourself and God bless. Bye.